Jealousy. You see, look how I ended up. Shot dead. I can't feel anything. This is weird. Women. Look at them. Look at me. I can't believe this. You killed me. And now what? What do you expect me to do? Wait for you here? I will. Definitely.
Hi, my dear. How are you today? What time are you coming home?
Hi, sweetheart. About 8, I guess?
Would you like to come over for dinner with my sisters?
Yeah, that's a good idea. What time do you want me to be there?
Around 9 should be okay.
Okay, I'll catch up with you later then. What a fantastic couple, you see? 5 years together, and the sparkle's still there. Can you feel it? I can't feel anything. Look at them. Women. Jealous all the time.
Laura, where are Nico and Gloria?
They are in the kitchen cooking dessert.
That's unusual.
Maria, stop it! You are always with the same story. Oh my god.
Let me check, just in case.
That letter. You're the reason why I'm here. Gosh. I should have cheated on her for real, you know?
What a beautiful letter.
Really? Do you like it? I'm a bundle of nerves.
Wow, are you joking? I love it.
Now you're scared, aren't you? Look at me. Look at you. I can't feel anything. Where's my heart? You took it with you, and now you cry for me.
Laura, something horrible has just happened.
What is it? Tell me and stop screaming.
The police called me telling me that my boyfriend was shot dead. They found him at his office covered with blood this morning.
Please, calm down and come home quickly.
My sisters, I wish I never met you. Now cry because I'm gone.
This is a tragedy.
This isn't happening. This is not possible.
We should do something about it. The police is not gonna leave a finger. We must look for a private detective. Are you sure about it? Don't you think that the police will be enough?
Good evening.
Hi, hello.
I have good news. I found an essential clue which will lead me to the murderer, but I need your help.
Clever boy. I owe you one, mate. Look at her. It was her.
Yes, sure. We'll do whatever you want in order to help.
Let me show you something. Do you know who this belongs to?
Gloria, it's all your fault. I saw you hitting on my boyfriend.
What are you talking about? You are so stupid. Haven't you read the letter?
What letter? What are you saying?
Nico showed me a letter in which he declared his love to you.
Oh my god, what have I done? I thought you two had an affair.
Look at what you've become because of your jealousy.
You guys ready? 1, 2, 3.